Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in again. So today I have for all of you the super easy papaya pudding recipe. You just need only 4 ingredients and this pudding tastes awesome. So here I have half a papaya that I've pureed, about half cup of sugar. We'd be using condensed milk as well, so you can regulate the sugar according to your taste. I have 1 cup of milk, 1 can of condensed milk, and mostly I'll be using just half a can out of this, and 1 packet of gelatin that I have dissolved in warm water. This is the gelatin packet that I've used, and I just followed the instructions. So in a vessel I am adding in my milk. To this I'm adding in the gelatin mixture and letting this boil along with the half cup of sugar that we had. I'm just going to bring all this to a boil. You can see that it started to boil now. I had kept the flame in low. I'm just going to switch it off and let the milk cool down in room temperature. So we're going to now take a papaya puree and add this to a large mixing jar, and then along with this you're going to add the boiled milk as well, but I just forgot to film it, and then we're going to add about half a can of condensed milk because we've already added sugar before, so half a can should be fine, and we're just going to give everything a mix. So once that's done, all that we're going to do is pour it in a glass bowl and refrigerate it. You can refrigerate overnight or until the pudding has completely set. So that's it, my friends. You saw how simple and easy this recipe is. I hope you love this. You can try this with any fruit of your choice. Even mangoes would taste amazing. So give it a try and let me know how it comes out. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will catch you up soon with another video. Until then, bye-bye.